we talked about it earlier, but almost half of our cases are family members. We all think that we're going to help veterans, which we are, but there's many, many children.
Right.
And
it goes beyond just the person who was in the training.
right.
Yeah.
And I'm not a doctor, and we're going to get really deep into the science. John Boxberger, one of our experts, is doing high-level reports for us right now. He's going through all the literature. We're going to be really versed on this. But just by talking to a lot of people, it seems to me those little kids, 1, 2, 3 years old, they're developing everything. Right. Their whole body's developing, all their organs neurologically.
Vulnerable.
And those kids who are there in that from birth to 3 years old, the percentage of them that have been affected, to me, it's almost 100%. I'm not a doctor. I can't testify to that, but that's just from the people I've talked to.
Yeah.
And you see the kids, you see the families, 5 or 6 kids. 2 of them are born at Lejeune. They both have the illness. 3 or 4 born somewhere else, 100% healthy. And we see family after family after family.
I'm almost curious if some of the children who were born in Camp Lejeune have some defect, if their kids, because depending on what, and they don't even know everything that has been affected, but it could, I'm wondering if it even carries on another generation.
Yeah, so one of the questions we were talking about at the conference that I was talking to a bunch of the other lawyers about was, so you have women who are there drinking the water and you have all these chemicals in their body, and then they leave. And then they have children 6 months or a year or 2 years later. And it seems to me that they have the exact same effect on kids that are born shortly after they leave. They didn't necessarily need to be there. And I think that's something that's being studied that we're looking into right